Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Very attractive and eye-catching ideas of hair dye. So stylish hair styling. And so attractive overall ideas, overall collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. And so beautiful ideas of too short wave and curls on hair. Curly hairstyling. So stylish ideas of messy hairstyle. And the most beautiful spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. Very attractive and latest ideas of undercut and shaved art. eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas, funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color, with different ideas of base color. And trendy ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and many much more latest and beautiful collection. Eye-catching ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media account So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.